Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the mixed GK set, which consists of 25 questions and is important for all exams. Let's begin. The question is, Neil Armstrong, the first American astronaut, set foot on the moon on option A 21st July 1969, option B 13 September 1959, option C 28 August 1858, option D 18th October 1961. The correct answer is option A 21st July 1969. Next question. The highest waterfall that measures about 1000 meters and is located in Venezuela is called option A Tugela, option B Jog Falls, option C Angel Falls, or option D Tucanon. The correct answer is option C Angel Falls. Next question. In 1907, the Indian National Congress split into moderates and extremists on selection of president at Surat session. Who was the elected president with support of moderates? Option A. A.O. Hume, option B. M.K. Gandhi, option C. Ras Bihari Bose, or option D. Bipin Chandra Pal. The correct answer is option C. Ras Bihari Bose. Next question. Which of the following is not a measure of prevention of smallpox? Option A. Isolation of patients till the last crust of rash separate. Option B. Disinfection of premises. Option C. Destruction of sputum. Or option D. Cleaning patients' clothing in washing machine. The correct answer is option C. Destruction of sputum. Next question. The normal temperature in the body of human beings is 37.2 degrees centigrade. Option B 39.2 degrees centigrade. Option C 37.4 degrees centigrade. Or option D 39.4 degrees centigrade. The correct answer is 37.2 degree centigrade. Next question. Bharat Nirman Yojana is intended for development of option A urban infrastructure, option B rural infrastructure, option C bridges and road, or option D information technology. The correct answer is option B rural infrastructure. Next question. On which dates the day at the Arctic Circle is of 24-hour duration? Option A 21st June, option B 22nd May, option C 23rd April, or option D 22nd June. The correct answer is option A 21st June. Next question. Har Gobind Khurana got Nobel Prize in the year option A 1962, option B 1964, option C 1966, or option D 1968. The correct answer is option D 1968. Next question. The equator doesn't pass through which country? Option A Indonesia, option B Mexico, option C Brazil, or option D Colombia. The correct answer is option B Mexico. Next question. The average depth of oceans on Earth is option A 5.5 km, option B 4.4 km, option C 3.5 km, option D 2.3 km. The correct answer is option C 3.5 km. Next question. 1 degree of latitude from equator measures about option A 100 km, option B 105 km, option C 111 km, or option D none. The correct answer is option C 111 km. Next question. The first president of Indian National Congress session was option A W.C. Banerjee, option B Surendranath Banerjee, option C M.K. Gandhi, or option D G.K. Gokhale. The correct answer is Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Next question. Adams Bridge, a 28-kilometer long bridge of rocks and sand, connects between option A Britain and Switzerland, option B India and Pakistan, option C India and Bangladesh, or option D India and Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option D India and Sri Lanka. Next question. The name the famous battle wherein Maharana Pratap was defeated by Mughal army led by Radhavan Singh. Option A. Battle of Haldigati. Option B. Battle of Panipat. Option C. Battle of Buxar. Or option D. None. The correct answer is option A. Battle of Haldigati. Next question. The dengue fever is caused by option A. Varicella zoster virus. Option B. Aedes aegypti mosquito. Option C. Hepatitis A virus. Option D. None. The correct answer is option B. Aedes aegypti mosquito. Ammeter is used to measure option A. Electric current. Option B. Wind velocity. Option C. Speed of light. Option D. None. The correct answer is option A. Electric current. The world famous Khajuraho temples built by which dynasty? Option A. Chandela dynasty. Option B. Chauhan dynasty. Option C. Parmar dynasty. Or option D. Chalukya dynasty. The correct answer is option A. Chandela dynasty. Next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental right according to the Constitution of India? Option A. Right to equality. Option B. Right to freedom. Option C. Right against exploitation. Or option D. Right to property. The correct answer is option D. Right to property. Swami Vivekananda represented India in the World Congress of Religions at Chicago in option A. 1893. Option B. 1896. Option C. 1899. Or option D. 1903. The correct answer is option A. 1893. The official language of Meghalaya. Option A. Roman. Option B. English. Option C. Miji. Or option D. Mishmi. The correct answer is option B. English. Next question. The Dronacharya Award is associated with option A. Eminent surgeons. Option B. Famous artists. Option C. Sports coaches. Or option D. Expert engineers. The correct answer is option C. Sports coaches. The NRI Day is observed on option A. 7th January. Option B. 8th January. Option C. 9th January. Or option D. 10th January. The correct answer is option C. 9th January. Which term describes explanatory text attached to a cell? Option A. Context. Option B. Callout. Option C. Comment. Or option D. Dialogue. The correct answer is option C. Comment. When you insert an Excel file into a Word document, the data are option A. Hyperlinked. Option B. Placed in a Word table. Option C. Linked. Or option D. Embedded. The correct answer is option C. Linked. Next question. Which command is used to calculate the total characters in a cell? Option A. Len. Option B. Length. Option C. Mid. Or option D. Max. The correct answer is option A. Length. That's all in this video. In this video, we have discussed 25 questions, GKGS questions, which will be important for all exams. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please support and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. All the best.